Today I'll be demonstrating a simple makeup, so let's get into the video. I'll be using Inside Cosmetics primer today. It's a 3-in-1 which primes and protects and moisturizes as cream. I already done my skincare routine. I used sunscreen as well. So let's get into the video. This is the amount I'm taking today. Can you see the blur it's giving? It gives you the smoothness so that you can achieve the flawless base. I'm starting with the orange corrector because I have dark circles. The reason we use this corrector because orange eliminates the dark circles which we have in our face, under the eyes, and over pigmentation as well. So this is the reason we use this orange corrector. Take some back of your hand, and you can also mix it with your foundation or a concealer which you're going to use. Because this is enough for me. You just have to apply it. Do not over blend, just let it sit, and then you can just apply your skin tone concealer to hide it. So this way dark circles will be gone. I'm using it wherever I have dark patches of pigmentation. If you have redness, use the opposite color, which is green. And if you have uneven skin tone, use yellow to make it even. Okay, I'm done with the correction. Let's move on to the concealer now. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty's concealer as well. Take it some back of your hand, and in makeup it is less is more, so just use what you need. I'm just gonna apply it and let it sit so that we can do our makeup. Just apply wherever you have patches. So I have concealed my dark circles. So now let's go with the foundation. Today I'll be using 4052's foundation, and it's in the shade Chestnut. So always use a spatula which is in metal, and I'm just taking a pump, not more than that. So this is the amount of one pump I got. So this is how you use a foundation. Don't just take it and just do it directly. Take here and just take the excess and start applying on your face. So this way you get the light coverage and it doesn't get cakey. Alright, I'm done with the application. Now let's move on to the blush. Did you know you can use a lipstick as a blush as well? So I'm gonna demonstrate how to use that. I'm gonna take a red lipstick, just one amount, which is in the wand. And now I'm gonna take my foundation or a concealer. You can choose anything. So this is the amount that I took. The red is the lipstick and this is the concealer that I used previously. So now I'm going to mix this and use this as a blush. I'm just using my lip brush to mix and apply it. Now let's take just a little amount over here and let's mix and see. It's like almost pink. Don't let it dry because it will be hard for you to blend. Now I'm gonna set with the powder. I'm using Swiss Beauty's fixing powder today. So this is the final look. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tell your thoughts in the comment section and also just ping what to do next. This is kinda cute girl office girly makeup look. I hope you like this video. Until then, bye.